Good morning, Kingfishers. This is Mr. Cook. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to be teaching you all about fractions. Today, we're going to be looking at converting improper fractions to mixed number fractions. So to begin with, I need to talk about improper fractions. If I was to write an improper fraction, I could write something like 14/5. You'll notice straight away that the numerator is larger than the denominator. Remember, the denominator is how many parts the whole has been split into. If I was to draw this using cubes, I could draw it like this. So my whole was split into 5 equal parts. If I was to represent an improper fraction, using my knowledge that the whole has been split into 5 parts, I have 5. I could then draw another whole, which I also split into 5 parts. I now have 10. And next, I don't have another whole, I only have 4. And remember, to make a whole number in fifths, you need 5/5. I've used up 10, so this time I'm only going to draw 4 more cubes. And here I have 5, 5, and 4. If I was to write this out, I could say I had 5/5 plus 5/5 plus 4/5. When you add fractions together, you only add the numerator. The denominator stays the same. So it's 5 plus 5 plus 4 equals 14/5. If I now look at this number and I think, how can I convert this into mixed number fraction? I need to go back and look at how many parts my whole was divided into. I know that 5/5 is equal to 1 whole. So if I look at this problem now and I think, well, I have 1 whole here, 1 whole here, and here I only have 4/5 of a whole. If I now add all of these together, 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 4/5, I get 2 wholes and 4/5. So in this case, I can say that 14/5, which is my improper fraction, is equal to 2 whole numbers and 4/5. So to recap, an improper fraction is where we have a fraction where the numerator is larger than the denominator, and a mixed number fraction is where we have an integer, a whole number, and a proper fraction as well. In this case, we have 2 and 4/5. Another example of converting an improper fraction into a mixed number fraction could be 17/8. So here we know that the whole has been split into 8 parts. So first of all, we can draw another bar. In this case, I'm going to go across, and I'm going to split my whole into 8 parts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 1 whole. But remember, I need to get up to 17. So I know I have 8 here. I'm going to draw another whole, because I know that 8 plus 8 is 16. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I have 8, 16. I know that if I draw another whole, but this time I only need 1 part of it. I can highlight to show what I'm using. So here we can see I have 1 whole, 2 wholes, and 1/8. So in this case, 17/8 is equal to 1, 2 wholes, and 1/8, because I did not use all of the parts from this whole. I only used 1/8. To help you with today's lesson, I've also attached a PowerPoint with some notes. Also, you have questions which are attached at the bottom of the class page. They are also converting improper fractions to mixed number fractions. The answers are attached to that page. And I also put on some challenge questions to the PowerPoint. There are 2 of these, and the answers to those are also located at the bottom of your class page on an attachment. Best of luck today. See you tomorrow.